Hello traders, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your ByBit account via the API to the HyroTrader. If you are new here, at the HyroTrader we provide the trading capital to the experienced crypto traders.
It's actually very simple. As you can see right now, I'm in the HyroTrader portal, and in the top challenges, you will see your challenges which you purchased for the connection to your ByBit account. So there's nothing easier than just clicking a ByBit account, and it will ask you for the API key and the API secret, which we right now need to generate in our ByBit platform. So if you don't have a ByBit account yet, please open one, and you can use the link below this video, because you can also get a discount on the trading fees when you will be trading your own money. So right now I'm going into the ByBit platform. I'm going to log in right now by filling my email and password. Okay, so right now I'm in the ByBit and I need to create my sub account where I will generate my API and API secret. So I'm going here in the right corner onto this icon and I'm scrolling down. You can see I already have few sub accounts in here, but I can create another one, which will be your case. So clicking here to the switch or create an account. You can see I have 3 here. I can click create and I will be creating a new one, right? So let's call it Hyro 3, right? Unified trading. I'm not changing anything else. I click confirm, then it asks me for the security verification, so I received the code in the email and also Google Authenticator. Sub account is now created. It's asking me for the transferring money. I don't need to do that, so I'm just clicking a skip. Sub account created successfully, right? So now few steps. I'm going here and I'm going to switch account. Okay, right now I can see that my Hyro 3 is in the use. And right now we are going to generate the API key and secret. But first, before we will do that, we need to go to the demo trading. So I'm going to switch to the demo trading right now. It gave me the demo trading money, and right now I need to generate my API, right? So again, I need to go into my icon in here, and now I'm going to click API and I will generate these things which will connect into my Hyro trading challenge. I'm going to click a create a new key, system generated. I can call it again Hyro 3, read and write, and I will allow the unified trading and the assets so we can deposit to. I submit, and here is what I receive: the API key, which I copy and paste here in the Hyro, and also the API secret, which I also copy and paste here. Now I click connect to the ByBit, and you can see account has been connected successfully. So now I'm seeing that this challenge is ongoing, right? When I go back into my ByBit, I can click understood in here, and then I'm going here to demo trading, because challenges are traded in the demo. So as you can see, the Hyro challenge is right now connected, and every trade under this sub account Hyro 3 will be reflected in your Hyro challenge. Right now, before we end this video, I want to give you a small tip which you should be always careful. As you can see, we got a available balance 100k, which is our HyroTrader challenge balance, right? So everything is in the sync. So right now every trade which I will open under my Hyro free sub account will be reflected on this challenge. Okay guys, so I think it's a pretty straightforward and easy process, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comment or in our community, and don't forget to subscribe for the more tips. See you next time.